Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 MG HS. Now of course this is finished in this lovely pearlescent white, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just up at the top here. Into the tailgate now, we've got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. You've got electric adjustment for the drivers and passenger seats. We've got your electric handbrake with auto hold, hill descent control, eco mode just here. Oh sorry, stop start on. You've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, and then we have your infotainment controls. You've got 2 USB ports just down below as well. So when we go to your home screen, we've got Bluetooth hands-free. Over to your media, you've got your various audio sources along the left here with DAB, AM, FM, and then audio, which will adjust your sort of your bass, treble. You can control your climate on here as well, which you can see just there. And then over to the steering wheel, you've got your audio controls on the left. Over to the right, you have your onboard computer controls. You've got automatic headlights, and then below we have your cruise control settings. Up to your infotainment display. On your onboard computer, you can see here that this car has done 23,637 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this MG HS, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.